Welcome back to another video. We are gonna be trolling like always. Well, this is my second trolling video. Okay. Yeah, already all loaded up. And then now, okay, now I'm gonna go into PvP. I can't.
My only
I'm back.
teammate
And I'm back and more powerful.
Oh my god, I think I'm dead.
Kill me then. Guys, the girl. Guys, I made myself that I can't play.
Why is it taking me so long to get up here?
Definitely not the girl. Follow me. No one talks about the girl.
Okay.
I was talking about the goofy little girl.
Hi,
Look,
I want to
no,
come.
it's you. Shut the hell up. Everyone, kill that little girl, bro.
Hey, look.
Okay, I don't have any weapon but this.
Me.
I will.
Oh, y'all died.
Is they already dead?
Sir.
Son, how can you betray me?
I did not kill you.
Bro, I know you. I know who you are. Hey, stop. Chill.
Oh.
Don't you do it. Don't you do it, Purple.
Thank you.
I see everyone right there. Get the hell away from me, Blue. Everyone, kill Blue. Kill Blue. He's trying to kill Blue.
Blue is killed.
Bro, I bet him.
Oh, dang. Who took my grappler?
Yo, who wants to
Yeah,
rocket
someone
launcher?
took my other grappler.
You want a rocket launcher?
No, can I have that?
Okay, that's
How are you so small? God damn, you're small.
Guys, I came back from the water. It really hurt. Alright,
I'm giving all you guys.
my limited edition superpowers. Who wants one of my superpowers?
What's a limited
I want it.
A limited edition superpowers. What the hell?
Dude, I'm giving out a lot of my superpowers. Where's my other?
Oh,
I'm
I'm too heavy. Hey! Get out of this place! Oh my god.
Oh!
I fell down.
Bitch!
I'm so dead.
I don't need the grappler.
Bitch. Fuck you.
Guys,
Stupid ass
guys,
dick. That's the dick. Oh, you suck dick.
This
Oh,
guy's
you
evil.
suck
The purple
dick.
guy's evil. Look what he made. He's trying to copy me. The purple guy's evil. Look what he did.
The moon. He's the son of the moon.
He's like the god of the moon. This guy's the god of the moon. Okay. Yeah. Where the heck am I? Thank you.
Hey, what about me? What about me? What about me?
You're not stepping outside.
What?
This, the purple guy, these two.
Hey. Man, you don't destroy the world!
I don't know why.
Man, get there already!
No killing people's stuff. Damn.
Son of God! Are you son of God?
Bro.
I returned with my powers. I'll be giving out 3 gifts. I'll be giving out RPGs right now. I'll be giving out
No way, I ran out already.
Hey!
are useless.
Hey, pass me!
My
Pass me one!
RPGs are
Bro!
See you guys later. Hope you guys missed me. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.
I'm cooked. I use mine at least. I'm gonna kill every time.
I got
I'm gonna kill you every time I see you.
I killed
You
you.
me?
Weapon. It's
We
come out of
all fucking big bag.
Come right out of the fan.
Come here.
You're there.
You're
there.
Just one thing. If you want to
Get the giant.
Oh, where's your body?
What happened to you?
I'm all the way at the top of the big tree. You guys are living down. So I'm not all the way at the top of the big tree.
He was red one.
You're welcome. Hey, that's mine. That's mine.
Some
That's mine.
terrorists in the building.
Bro,
Who the hell tried to kill me? Who the hell tried to kill me?
not me. I've been here grabbing.
I am. I'm going down there.
Why is that?
Why? Because you're scared of
Whoever needs broccoli.
Why me, broccoli? Never mind, I don't. That's from you.
Oh my.
Trying to fucking kill me! I'm trying to sleep!
It was your brother.
Sorry,
It
my
was your
game's so
brother.
laggy.
Alright, I'm trying to fucking sleep. I'm gonna fucking move somewhere else. Who wants to visit my house?
Top of the tree.
I do. Can I visit you, bro? Can I visit you?
Yeah, wait.
Because I was trying to kill you. Can I visit? Where are you, Froggy? Oh, okay. There you are.
Froggy?
Yeah, you're a
Froggy?
frog god.
I'm not a frog.
You're the sun frog god. You're the sun frog god. Dude. What the
Alright,
heck?
guys, see you later.
Science?
Alright, follow me, boys. Who wants to come with me? Who wants to come with me?
Me?
Hey, we don't not talk. Alright, follow me.
Are you serious for you? You didn't run away from me. Wait, where are you?
Stupid people keep taking my... Stupid ass people keep taking my grenades.
Damn, with a lake. Where are you?
Okay, Tracy, take it.
Coming. But where are you? Telling everybody's freaking gay. Where's the water? Huh?
I'm gonna have a very interesting...
Who just died? You didn't help me come.
I did not do that.
But you're crossing private property, little guy.
Someone save me.
I do not know where I'm going, bruh.
Your turn. Are you in the first one or in the second one?
I'm right here, guys. I'm back. I'm back. I know you guys-
Wait an answer.
Who cares? Shut the fuck up. You fucking faggot. You're underestimating now. Absolutely kill your family and fucking real life. You fucking shit. I know.
Who's saying that?
See you guys later. Shut
Sure, bitch.
ass up, faggot.
I'm a Titan fighter.
You must not know me like that.
Bitch. Just because I'm the son of God don't mean I'm not hot like that, bitch.
Help me. I know. See
I'm
you
about to
guys
be in
later.
there.
Absolute fucking retard. An absolute fucking retard.
Dude, you're a retard as well.
You're a fucking dumbass. Kill yourself, bitch.
And I'm gonna kill Purple. You're so ass at aiming. Kill yourself again.
No cussing. Cussing is not cool, bro.
And you missed again like a punk ass bitch.
You're fucking ass at aiming, dude. Who the fuck's trying to kill me? Your ass.
And you missed again. Oh my gosh.
Holy shit. Is that really your aim? I feel bad for you.
I'm going to my new house up there.
Domain expansion.
Finally, the bitch.
Bitch ass nigga can kill me. Holy fucking shit. Bitch ass nigga left like a bitch. Bitch ass nigga left like a
I don't want.
I'm just gonna go to a different. I'm gonna move on to a different lobby. Not a single.
Are you
They're not
fucking
lying.
bro?
Give me the grappler. Give me the fucking grappler. Do as you said. Do as you're told. Do as you're fucking
Yeah, you
told.
guys don't hear that. Just so you know. You guys don't hear that.
I can't anymore. I'm going to my house. I can't anymore. I'm going to my house.
Hell yeah. It's...
Got you.
People stepping in this.
I don't want to fly.
Me.
I need my shotgun. Reapers.
Hey!
Now what are you doing?
Making a video.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
God, let's make fire.
Oh yeah? Then where's your camera? Now you think I'm gonna revive you? You had a red watch. Get down there.
Just swim over here.
Revive me, bro.
Nope.
Yeah, you're dead.
You had a red watch.
I don't care.
In there, what did I do? Exactly.
Oh, I'm gonna put you more farther now.
Oh, he like.
Keeping me farther.
I bet.
Let me get you. I got you. Let me get you.
Thank you. Don't worry. No!
You guys, I'm gonna drop fireworks down. Watch. Hey, don't kill me, alright?
Just be aware of that kid that was just up here.
John Doe PP.
Dude, where? Huh?
No.
That kid that was just up here. That kid killed me whenever I got red watch.
Yeah. Lanny shot you.
Bro,
How are you missing? Oh, that's a cluster.
step outside, bro.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Bro.
Yep. Nope.
Bro, can you collect my stuff?
Waste him.
Can you collect my stuff?
Yeah.
Whenever I
hold up.
respawn? Wait, revive me, revive me.
Nope.
Revive me.
No, I can't. Hey, you wanna get blowed up with a bazooka? Is that or the other option?
Be quiet.
Oh, be quiet. What are you gonna do about the shotgun?
Revive me.
Yo, respawn. I can get your stuff. Respawn.
Please, it's real
There.
or anything.
I'm gonna kill this kid.
He got it.
See ya.
Yo, I got more stuff.
Somebody kill me. Yo, bro.
I got you.
Hey. Can you
Wait until you're red
Can
watch.
you kill me? Can you please kill me?
Hey, yo, bro.
What the
Somebody.
I got you. I got you. Who needs help? Where's your body?
Reds, please. Please, Reds. Wrong body. Help me, I'm up here, Please, somebody
I
rest.
see you. Get down.
Rest me, please.
Got you.
guys,
Nobody
let's
likes
do
you,
this, let's
purple.
do this.
Nobody likes you, purple.
I want to get you back.
Oh,
got you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Watch out!
Thank you.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo!
When I revive you, you go.
Somebody help. Dude, please get me in my body.
Oh! That was close.
You.
Right in my body, please.
What's up?
We died. Can you put me in my body? Mary's wanted to help you. Thanks.
Hey, yo, Red.
Let me help you! No way!
Yeah,
Oh,
he's
sick!
How can I
dead.
get red watch?
No.
No. No.
broken.
So I want to control it.
Can I grab this guy? Can I grab this guy?
I don't know. I grab this guy.
No, I wanted this guy.
No,
It's
get
hard to
him.
play now.
No, let me get him.
Okay, bro.
Let go. Help, Red. Red, help me. I'm floating.
No, you are not reviving him.
You're not a ghost.
Oh, you're sub. What's up, bro?
Yo.
What's up?
Guys, can somebody help me?
Thank you. Yay, grenade. Yeah. Come on, stop. You know what? I'm helping this guy. I'm helping this guy out. Where's your body? Shotgun's left. Where's your body? Oh. I own them, but I'm not curious about that.
Someone revive me.
I got you! Hero is to save the day! And that's
Damn, I found Red Watch. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Well, I collected some stuff. Let's see what's in this backpack. Dang, 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 dang. Okay, that's some good stuff. And they left it off guard. It's crazy. Why would you leave something like this? It even had 2 shotguns. Okay, that's it. Bye.